So today, share ko lang yung journey namin ni VJ together from the first time we met and then up to now. So, alam niyo naman na registered nurse ako, di ba? Pero nung nag-transition ako, medyo nag-dabble tayo sa entertainment industry, like in terms of modeling, acting, ganyan. Pero VJ really helped me a lot because a lot of the gowns that I wore, a lot of the photo shoots, pag kailangan ko ng something, like tinulungan niya ako. And then one time, nag-aral pa ako with her kasi nagtuturo siya ng sewing. So, I tried to do this gown na very, very proud of ako. Pero never ko siya nagamit. So, parang future, hopefully, magamit ko siya sa awarding, di ba? Pero, since COVID, I went back sa nursing. Focus muna tayo dito. And then, yung acting, hindi masyadong busy at that time. So, we'll see. Maybe it's a dream that we can have for the future. Maraming mga nurses dyan na gusto rin mag-business, ganyan. So, I treat it almost like a business na parang ang nursing forever lang tayo magiging income from the company. Pero kung meron kang sariling business, meron chance na mag-boom yun at mas malaki, di ba? So ito yung mga samples ng mga dresses na nasuot namin. At si Ali, kaming dalawa, marami rin kaming nasuot na gowns from VJ Floresca. O, di ba? Ang gaganda ng mga designs ni VJ. Kaya naman, panoorin nyo ang project namin. Supportahan natin ang kapwa Pilipino. Bye!